Look, here's the biggest problem I see from new real estate investors, even the seasoned guys. And quite simply, it's don't be a slumlord.
Yes, I'm a slumlord.
You need to look at it like this. Your tenants are your customers. Every business needs to take care of their customers. If your customer's not happy, then you're just not gonna have good performance from your customer. They wanna have pride in their property, they wanna live in a nice place, they wanna feel like they're being listened to, just like you do when you go to your favorite restaurant and you talk to the waitress. You want them to take care of your concerns. Tenants are the exact same way. So when the tenant calls you and says, hey, I got a leak in my toilet, get somebody over there right away. The second reason is, it's not just your customer, it's your asset. Oftentimes here in Southern California, a rental property could be a $500,000 asset. Take care of it. It's recurring maintenance. It's something you would do to your own home if you had a problem like this. You don't want it to graduate into a larger problem. You want to take care of any issues that arise completely so you don't have any secondary damage. And if you're wondering if you're a slumlord, comment Fifi below and we'll send you our landlord self-evaluation with the 5 questions whether or not you may or may not be a slumlord.